What about some of the common problems that you get called?
Well, if you have a finished basement and you have a sump pump down there, you really want to put a battery backup. If the electricity kicks off, the battery kicks on. Or the system that we use, it works both ways. If there's so much water coming into that pit and the original pump can't kick on, the systems that we installed, that backup will also kick on.
I always tell people, too, when they buy the house and they place an insurance policy to put the clause about backup water.
Yeah.
Not flood insurance, about backup water, because a lot of insurance agents don't tell people.
And that's when the Cameron of the sewer comes
Yes.
in. And the other thing is we get a lot of calls on is broken outside spigots.
Yeah.
They leave their hose on all winter.
Yeah.
A lot of them are frost proof, but they're not frost proof if you leave the hose on.
Yeah.
Yeah,